What is up, everybody? Today we're gonna be going on a cruise, but before we do that, I gotta wash my car because it's filthy. I gotta put it all on. This soap right here, so good. I need y'all to put me on with some good towels because every single towel I use always sucks. So I got my car cleaned up now. I need y'all to put some towels in the comments, bro, because my towels suck. I have to use like 4 of them. I hate them. So if y'all know any, put them in the comments. I'm gonna add gotta put some on real quick, and then we can go cruise. So let's go. I never put these on when I first got the car. He gave them to me, so I'm gonna do that real fast. And yeah, freaking missed a bug, but let me take this off. It's kind of hard with one hand. Hold on. All right, got that off. Put the new one on. I don't know if I'm gonna like them, to be honest, cause shoot. Like I said in my last video, I plan on putting different wheels on it eventually, different setup. Right now though, I think the wheels like fit the vibe of like what I have on it right now. But I do think some works or something like that would look pretty good. Just let me know what y'all think, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with some chrome wheels, like some VSKS or some Workmeisters. I've seen a lot of people put Workmeisters on C5, so I think I'm gonna go that route. And I'm gonna go ahead and put all these on real quick, and I'll catch y'all in a bit. Honestly, I don't really know how big of a fan I am of it. I'm not really a big fan of like that kind of look, you know what I mean? But you know, it is what it is. I got a new mod coming in. It hasn't been sent yet, but I'm gonna show y'all where. So I'm gonna be getting some new corner lights right there, some custom ones. They haven't been shipped yet, but they'll be shipped soon. And as soon as I get them in, I'm gonna be doing a video on them. So yeah, y'all get prepared for that. So I'm gonna pick up my girl now, and I'm gonna make her record for the cruise. I'm on my way to my girl's house right now. Shifting with one hand is hard. Yeah, I'll catch y'all in a little bit. We're on our way to go to the lake right now to take some videos, and then we're gonna get some food, so. This is a private road. traffic right now, so we're just gonna cut when we get there. Yeah, there's too much traffic, you can't really do anything. We'll just cut when we get there. I'm gonna get one pull in for y'all. Is it not gonna lock?